Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for being here. And in today's video, I'm going to show you another way of making roasted chicken. So first things up, I'm starting by adding some clean water in a clean pot. And then I'll add some salt, a lot of it. Then I'm going to add that Nor beef cube. For some flavor. And then onions, rosemary, basil, garlic, and some mint. You can add whatever herbs you have or whatever you want to add. I left the water to boil for about 10 minutes. Then here I was adding my chicken, which was cut into quarters. And I left the chicken to boil for about 15 minutes. As the chicken was boiling, here I was making my marinade, some natural yogurt. I was not measuring anything. I was just listening to my ancestors. And then a mixture made from heaven, that's garlic and ginger paste. Then some curry powder. Paprika. Onion powder. Barbecue. And coriander, but you can use the barbecue on its own because it has all these other spices. And also I'm adding some cayenne. I was saying you can use just the barbecue spice on its own. And then I'm adding another beef cube. And then some rosemary and some lemon juice. Then I'm adding some olive oil. I added 3 teaspoons or 1.5 tablespoons of olive oil. Then I added some honey. The honey is going to help the caramelization of the chicken. Here I was marinating the chicken after I had boiled it in herbs to give it a nice flavor. Then I left it overnight in the fridge to marinate. Then the following day I baked it in the oven, or I roasted it in the oven for 45 minutes at 180 degrees.